Minsan, sasadyain talaga ng Panginoon na ma-overwhelm ka. Minsan, sasadyain talaga ng Panginoon na maramdaman mo yung bigat at pressure. Minsan, sasadyain talaga ng Panginoon na mapunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na kulang ka. Minsan, dadalhin ka talaga ng Panginoon sa isang sitwasyon where your back is against the wall. That He will put you to the end of yourself. Na may mga tatanggalin talaga ang Diyos sa buhay mo na pinagkatiwalaan mo at pinagdependihan mo. Gusto ng Diyos ma-realize mo na hindi ka infinite, finite ka, limited ka. And no matter how much you try, no matter how hard you work, it will not be enough without the grace of God. The reality is this, you are not enough and you don't have enough. Alam ko may passion ka, pero alam mo walang bunga. Mahal na mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, but you don't have enough budget. And sometimes God will allow you to be placed in a situation na kulang ka.